Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a rotation transition effect easy in After Effects. First let's scroll forward a bit where you want rotation to start from and then press R on your keyboard to expand rotation. Now hold Shift and press S to expand scale. Click on Scale and Rotation stopwatch icons to create a keyframes and then scroll to the end of the layer and then let's slightly scale the video. Now rotate your clip, in my case 80 is enough. Let's select all keyframes now and hit F9 on your keyboard to ease them. Now go to Graph Editor, right click here and select Edit Speed Graph and then make a smooth curve like mine. Let's close Graph Editor and then enable Motion Blur on that layer. Now let's apply Motion Tile Effect on that layer. Check Mirror Edges and then change Output Height and Width to 200. First clip is ready, let's quickly check it and then jump to another video. Before we continue, make sure your last keyframes are at the very end of your first layer. Now select your second clip and then press S on your keyboard, then hold Shift and press R to expand scale and rotation. Click on Scale and Rotation stopwatch icons and then scale the video a bit. So now we should rotate the video, but it's very important to know your previous clip's rotation last keyframe value. For example, in my case it's positive 80, and it means I have to make my second clip's first rotation keyframe at negative 80. Why it's important? Because we have to create a continuous rotation, and in case if you do both at positive values, you won't have that look and it will start rotating the same like that first clip. Now let's scroll forward where you want rotation to stop and then right click on rotation and select reset, then do the same with scale. Now select all keyframes and press F9 on your keyboard and then go to Graph Editor and make a smooth curve like mine. Let's close Graph Editor and enable Motion Blur on that layer as well, and then we have to apply Motion Tile here as well. Check Mirror Edges and then change Output Height and Width to 200. Let's quickly check the effect. Nice, rotation transition is done. Let's add some shakes now. I will skip shakes part because I have made too much shake tutorials. Also I have made 16 unique shake presets that you can get from the link in description. Check how it looks like with my shake presets. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.